This product is the Motorola G54 5G mobile phone. Now, I was looking for a new mobile phone to replace one that I actually dropped, and this is the one that I decided on. This particular phone is going to be more than adequate for your needs. It is a mid-range phone. It has a 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor, which basically is a fancy way of saying 8 chips in one. It also has a 6.5-inch full HD screen at 2400 by 1080. At 120 hertz. Now that is considered a pretty good refresh rate for most phones these days. The feel of the actual phone is quite solid, relatively lightweight and comfortable in the hand. It also has a finger scanner on your power button, which allows you to open the phone just by touching it. Something that some phones today don't have, which is your 2.5mm jack to add headphones if you want wired headphones. And then you also have a dual SIM compartment, and you can also expand the memory of your phone to 1 terabyte with a flash card. Operating system on this one ships with Android 13. However, this particular model has already updated to Android 14. Also, I have read that it will accept the Android 15 update later in the year. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you some extra features and security, then certainly looking at this Moto G54 is a good option for you. As far as functionality and operation goes, it's quite a smooth phone, and when you open your apps and things like that, they open quite quick. You can also configure this phone for gestures, as you can with most phones. Even just shaking the phone will turn on the torch, and shaking it again will turn it off. So how you set some of those features up is entirely up to you. The front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel camera, and the back-facing camera, or the wide camera, is a 50 megapixel camera, and it also has a macro camera on the back as well. So hopefully this helps you make a decision as to whether the Moto G54 is for you, and I will catch you in a future video.